Hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn about how to create sales invoice in VT software. So for that purpose we'll come in transaction menu. Here you need to click on sales invoice. Once you click here you will get this kind of display. Okay, we can also use shortcut key of sales invoice, as you can see here, SIN. Okay, we can also create customers from here. Now let me show you customer tab. So this is the shortcut key, CU. Okay, now I can set up a new account of customer from here. I need to enter the basic details like name, then contact number, contact details, addresses, credit terms, then VAT details, bank details, and other not. After that I'll click on OK, and you can see now for modification of details I need to click here, and I can also delete this account from here. Once you double click on particular customer, you will see the ledger of that particular customers. Now let me show you how to create sales invoice, and you can also create customers from here. Okay, and after selection of the customer you can also change the details of customer from here. You can delete the customer and you can view the ledger of that customer. Now let me enter the basic detail of sales invoice like invoice number, date, then after proper description of product or service sold, I simply write sales. Then after you need to enter gross amount, and it will auto allocate VAT and net amount. Now you need to select the group. Okay, you can also create new ledger from here. Here I'm going to simply select sales. Okay, you can select credit terms from here. You can select types of sales from here. You can also insert or delete rows from here. After entering details, I'll simply click on save and our invoice will be displayed, as you can see here. Once you click on reference number, we'll get this kind of presentation. This is double entry presentation. Okay, now let's go into the customer tab. As you can see the ledger of that particular customer. Once you click on reference number, we'll get the same display. Okay, so in this manner we can create sales invoice, and we can also create customer in VT software. So this is for today. Thanks for watching. Kindly like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.